video, I'm gonna teach you how to drink water correctly. See, drinking water is an art, a craft. And doing this, not right. You cannot drink water like this. Because then nothing comes out. See now, there's too much water going in. And you're gonna, I don't know what you call it, but stuck. So this is how you do it correctly. Take note, pay attention, pay attention. Take the glass like this, a cup, put the brim, lower brim, to your mouth. Tilt the glass over slowly. You get enough. That's how you do it. Dan water, met te veel. Ta-da!